This video is how to install a Sloan Shuffleboard table. McClure Tables often does local deliveries. If you ordered the free curbside delivery, you will be responsible to unpackage and unload the table from the truck. You can see other videos on that process. One thing to keep in mind with your shuffleboard table installation is how long is the carry. This particular table was a walkout basement, but it was quite a long carry. We usually put moving pads down or something to set the table on so that we can assemble the legs. Most tables have 4 bolts that go through the top of the table under the legs. You simply move those carpet tabs back and insert the bolts. The last step that you have to do is there are some pocket screws that go just on the end tables of most tables. It is helpful if you use that pocket screw somewhat as a drill bit going back and forth motion and pre-drilling a hole. The next step is you'll have to carry the playboard. Keep in mind that playboards are quite heavy. It might help to have 4 people to carry the playboard or a dolly to get it close to the location. We always set some hooks in the cabinet so that when we set the playboard down, we don't pinch our fingers. After the playboard is placed in place, then one of the workers will go underneath and use the climate adjusters as barbells, lifting up the playboard so the other one can move with the pumps. The last step is leveling the table, and you can see further videos on how to level your shuffleboard table. McClure Tables, handcrafted in Michigan, made in America.